I would like to show today how to take these bungees off. As we can see on the bottom here, well, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it says stay put, which means stay put but not permanently. So these are the tools I'm going to try to use to get those little bungees off, and we'll see if I'm going to be successful. My bet is this guy will do the job, but I want to save him, so I'm going to try this first and see where it gets me. This looks like it could do the job by putting it through that hole, but this is definitely not strong enough to push it out. So before we start cutting into this with tools like this, start taking it out, I believe that this is the hole to push it all out. And I tried different tools, smaller tools that go in, but that doesn't work. So what I find out, the best way to take it out is a screwdriver. You pry it inside here, and you kind of wiggle your way in. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then you go on the other side and you repeat the process. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Of course, always remember not to puncture yourself. So wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And this thing starts to come out. When they mean stay put, they'll stay put. But eventually everything has to come apart. So like with everything else, I managed to break one off. I guess maybe it was too tight, maybe somebody already took it apart and put a glue in it. Anyway, I was able to take one out, and this is what it looks like. This is the top. It's a little push button that you push in and it stays there, and then you're supposed to push it through this hole, but I couldn't find anything hard enough to push it in, so I used the screwdriver. On this came out right, but unfortunately this one didn't have so much luck, and it kind of broke off as I was trying to pry it out. But anyway, this is what it looks like on the inside. And to replace those bungees, you just get a new ones, put them back in place, and then you put this right through the hole on this side, and then you put this on top of it and you push it in. I figure I'm going to show you guys how this looks inside, because I could not find anything on the internet that shows what is it inside and how to work with it. I still got to find a better way to take them off, but that's what it looks like. If you like the videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you give me a thumbs down, hey, let me know why. Thank you.